Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 154 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the NYX Foil Play Cream Eyeshadow. So yesterday I tried out the NYX Foil Play Cream Pigments and I wasn't a big fan of the way that applied, so I'm excited to try this cream eyeshadow version of the foil play eyeshadows because I think this one's going to be easier for me to apply. We're going to find out. If you want to see how I applied the pigment, I'll link that video down below for yesterday's product. But so the foil play cream eyeshadows retail for $6 and it comes in 6 different colors. And NYX is a cruelty-free brand. So the shade that I picked up is called Steal Your Man, which is like a gold shade. It looks so pretty in the packaging. Let's just go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, that is very moussey and creamy in texture. Wow, okay. It's more like liquidy than I was expecting. That first swatch I just did is very sheer. Let's see if I can build it up. So we'll see how it applies on my eye, but it's hard to build up to like full pigment color. Like it's very sheer, and as I'm rubbing it, it's like rubbing away and kind of getting like that pilly feeling. It's very pretty gold though, very pretty like foiled sheen. I'm not sure if I'm loving the texture of this either, but let's go ahead and apply it to my eye. I feel like I look so funny too because I knew I was going to be using like a colorful eyeshadow, so I didn't put on any of my face makeup yet. My skin is looking so red. It's also probably due in part to it being so hot where I live these days. Originally, I was thinking that this would be easier to apply with my finger, but I don't think that that's actually the case because it's so kind of like gooey, moussey texture. I need like a smaller applicator. This is so weird. It's like I can't even pick it up with an applicator. Like I'm dabbing it into the pot and it's just coming up with nothing on it. Oh, this texture is so weird. It's like you kind of have to like dig it, scoop it. I basically just like scooped a piece out. Ugh. Oh, and also happy Independence Day. It's the 4th of July. This is applying like a disaster. Oh my gosh. This texture, like, it's just gooey and not spreading and like really sheer in places, and where it's like pigmented, it's just goo. Oh my gosh, it's not blending. I didn't expect this cream eyeshadow to be so soft and liquidy. Maybe it's not even liquidy, it's just like very soft and it's like putty, but not putty that's blendable. It's just trying to all gather together and like really pilling up. Oh, this might be the worst thing I've ever put on my eyelid. That looks absolutely horrible. It's so uneven, feels so heavy and sticky on my eyelid. I was so wrong about liking this texture better than the kind of loose, grainy pigment that were in the product that I tried yesterday. Like, wow, these colors seemed so pretty and I was so excited to wear them, but no. This one I absolutely cannot wear because it's just like basically like putting putty on my eyelid. But yesterday's, at least once it was applied, you did have like beautiful color and a beautiful finish to the eyeshadow. So when it comes to the NYX Foil Play eyeshadow collection, I do prefer the pigments, but not even enough to really enjoy those either because it's so messy to apply. Like the fallout is crazy. This was so wet. Oh my gosh, okay. And it's still wet. Like this has been on my hand for a while, so I thought it would have dried down, but no, as I'm like rubbing at it, it's smudging like crazy. It's all over my finger now from touching it. I was so excited to wear like a very pretty gold eyeshadow look for the 4th of July today when I go out for like a cookout and maybe see some fireworks, but there's no way I can wear this. Like, I have to take this off immediately. It's so uncomfortable. And it's like really gathering in the creases of my eyelid. This is such a fail. Wow, if you ever tried this, let me know if you've had better luck with it, what you think of it. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm being so harsh, but I do not like this one bit, and I'm so surprised because I really, really thought I was gonna like it. Like, you can see as I'm touching it, it's like coming off of my finger, it's like stretching, it's so wet. All right, gross. Anyways, let me know also what your plans are for the 4th of July today. All right, I gotta go take this off, so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.